Hey there! My name is Victoria and today I'll show you how to sell online courses. Let's go! In our previous video, we taught you how to create an online course. If you haven't made one yet, make sure to check it out. So, let's say you have created your online course. The next step is learning how to sell the course effectively and maximize profits. Thus, I will break down all the essential steps you can follow to achieve precisely that. Before we go any further, I will start with a few things you should know before selling your online courses. First, you need to develop trust with your audience, and this can be tricky when you are just starting out. After all, you are asking people to invest their time and money into something that has yet to have a guaranteed outcome. Therefore, it is important to make a good impression from the start. People are more likely to enroll in your course if they will notice that you are confident in your area of expertise, leading them to success. That doesn't mean you must have a certain degree or certification. If you have been doing something for a while and consider yourself knowledgeable in the field, you are already qualified. However, building trust and a strong personal brand is just as important. You can leverage your social media profile for this. Let's say you have an Instagram account. Here, you want to ensure that your bio states how you help people reach their goals. Actively reach out to your students and offer them a solution to their problems. This can be something other than anything major. Simple tips and tricks will do. As long as you're consistent, this will eventually help build your authority, even without having an audience to begin with. However, if you have already sold a few courses, use testimonials from previous students as social proof of your course's success. Next, ensure your audience can find and purchase your lessons easily. The last thing you want is for people to get confused or frustrated and give up before completing the purchase. When you list your courses on such marketplace sites as Udemy or Skillshare, these platforms will cover all the payment processing for you. However, if you wish to sell courses on your website, make sure people know precisely what they paid for and received after clicking the purchase button. For example, most course creators use two-step checkout process that requires account setup before entering payment details. To collect a payment, connect to a payment gateway services like PayPal or Stripe. These allow you to accept different billing options to increase customer satisfaction and conversions. Lastly, make sure you establish a clear and compelling outcome. If people don't know how your course will benefit them, there's little chance they will buy and enroll in it. Ideally, a value proposition should be transparent, engaging, and resonate with the audience's pain points and desires. For an online course, your value proposition should answer the following questions. Who is the course for? What will be learned? How long will the lessons take to complete, and what skills are required for someone to enroll in the course? By providing this information upfront, you will ensure that your audience knows exactly what they will get from your courses. Take a look at SEMrush SEO Crash Course with Brian Dean. By reading the description, we immediately notice who the course is for and what topics it will cover. It's aimed at catching the attention of someone struggling to rank their website on Google. Online courses can sell for different price points, anywhere from $5 for a single lesson and up to $100 to $1,000 for an entire course package. Setting the right price for your online course can take time and effort. On the one hand, you want to charge enough to cover your costs and make a profit. However, you also don't want to price yourself out of the market. That's why it is important to strike the right balance when choosing the price for an online course. A good starting point is to define the outcome your audience should achieve by taking your course. What sort of benefits will they get from taking it? How much would they be willing to pay for that value? For example, if your course aims to help people advance their careers or get a raise, you could charge more than a course that simply teaches a new skill. Think about your target audience and who you are trying to reach with your course. Are they beginners, Advanced learners is your course tailored toward a specific industry or niche. You can charge a premium price if you're catering to a high-end audience. On the other hand, if you're aiming toward the mass market, you will need to set a fair price. Production costs include creating, promoting, and hosting your course. For example, if you wish to self-host the course on your website, you will need to calculate the price of hosting your site, studio equipment, and production software. It's also important to analyze your competition. What other similar courses are priced on the market? Ideally, you want to be the premium option in the market. Use your competition to validate the demand for your chosen topic and the quality you should be aiming for. I've already mentioned that establishing trust is important if you wish to sell your online course successfully, and the same can be said about its price. If you're already seen as an expert, have a lot of social proof, and have a large audience base, you can charge a high-end price. On the other hand, if you're making a course for the first time, it's best to offer a budget-friendly price, especially if your target audience consists of a younger demographic. Consider all these factors carefully to set the price of your course confidently, maximizing your revenue as much as possible. Rather than offering a lump sum, consider using pricing models to cater to your audience's needs and budgets, and there are a variety of pricing models to choose from. First, we have a subscription or membership model where people pay a monthly or annual fee to access all of the course content. This model offers a consistent revenue stream for course creators, but it can be difficult to attract more students if the course remains under the spotlight. Some course creators use pay-per-view model, where they purchase individual courses separately. This allows students to sample your content before committing to it, but it can also be challenging to thoroughly follow the course material this way. Other courses use a freemium model, in which some content is free while the rest stays behind a paywall. This model allows students to get a taste of the quality of your content before deciding whether to purchase the full package. However, that does require careful planning to ensure that free content is engaging, but only gives away a little taste. Ultimately, there is no one-size-fits-all solution for online courses, and the best pricing model will vary depending on the type of course and your goals. It's finally time to get your course out there, and there are several ways to get the best start possible. The first is to implement search engine optimization, also known as SEO for short. Optimizing your website and course listings for relevant keywords will improve your visibility in search results and encourage more people to enroll. Start by finding keywords relevant to your course on Google Search and make sure to use the keywords in the related searches section. For example, if your focus keyword is copywriting courses, include related search results such as best copywriting course and online copywriting course on your description or sales page copy. For more extensive keyword research, I recommend using other paid options such as Ahrefs and SEMrush. Both platforms offer advanced features like competitor analysis reporting and user tracking tools. A dedicated landing page for your online course website is essential to support your marketing efforts. This is where you will encourage the audience to complete different actions, such as signing up for your course or subscribing to your newsletter. Typically, a course landing page should consist of the following elements: a banner, which consists of your course name, a subheadline, and a call to action. A description that should showcase your course value proposition and the full curriculum so people would be able to preview chapters and lessons of your course. An instructor bio section to show a brief overview of you and your credentials as an instructor. Additional information such as frequently asked questions section and testimonials. A money-back guarantee logo to give potential customers more confidence to invest in the course. And finally, another call to action to act as the final push in convincing people to purchase your course. Now there are several ways to build a course landing page. Some online course creator platforms like Teachable and Thinkific have built-in sales page templates and a drag-and-drop editor for easy landing page creation. However, keep in mind that all the pages created with those platforms will have the same design, which can obscure your brand's visibility. That's why if you want more control of your page visuals and branding, I suggest building your course landing page and linking it to your website. For example, if you already made your course website on WordPress, you can use page builder plugins like Divi to quickly create a course landing page and integrate it in the main website. For a more detailed guide, check out our video on how to create a landing page. To ensure your landing page runs smoothly, choosing a reliable hosting plan is important. I recommend using Hostinger's Business WordPress plan. It includes 1 year free domain name, free SSL, and robust WordPress features, such as one-click installation and automatic backups. And don't forget to apply our discount code HE10 to get 10% discount off your purchase. Create blog posts, lead magnets, and newsletters that emphasize your course benefits. You can also host webinars or podcasts on topics related to your course, which can help position you as an expert in your field. In addition, guest blogging on niche-related sites is a great way to build up your credibility. Using these content marketing strategies, you can attract more people to your online course and give yourself a competitive edge. If you wish to get a faster results and have a decent budget to spend, paid advertising is a great place to start. For example, Google Ads lets you target a specific demographic and segment your audience. In addition, you can target the exact keywords that will trigger your ads. There are two main ways to use keywords in Google Ads: cost per click, also known as CPC, and cost per impression, also known as CPM. CPC is more popular option as it only allows you to pay when someone clicks on your ad. CPM, on the other hand, requires you to pay for every 1,000 impressions your ad gets. While both can be valuable options, I recommend using CPC method for promoting your online course, since it is cost-effective and has a higher return on investment. One more way to promote your course is to make use of several social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The key to making this method work is to pick the right platform relevant to your course and audience. For example, if your online course focuses on fashion or design, consider Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok as your primary options. Facebook or LinkedIn can be better choices if you teach tech or programming-related topics. Social media promotion should focus on adding value rather than advertising your course directly. For example, share insightful content related to your course topic and engage with your followers. You can start promoting your course once you're satisfied with customer engagement metrics. That way, it will be easier for you to convert your followers into actual buyers. Watch our webinar presented by Guste, Hostinger social media team lead, to learn how to create an effective social media strategy. Finally, the last thing I highly recommend is to create video content on YouTube. With more than 2.6 billion active users and being the world's largest video sharing platform, YouTube is a powerful tool for promoting your online course. Besides providing an engaging experience, audience behavior on YouTube is mostly intent-driven. People often go to the platform for tutorial videos and to learn new skills. Besides, it's a great place to build an active community of people interested in taking your course. Start a YouTube channel and post engaging videos around your course topic. Utilize YouTube's powerful search engine by tagging your videos with relevant keywords, including them in your video titles and descriptions. Doing so will make you more likely to appear as a top search result when someone uses one of those keywords. To stand out from your competitors, build a solid brand identity by applying a unified design for your thumbnails, fonts, and banners. Lastly, be consistent with your content strategy and upload videos on a regular basis. Consider setting up a schedule or calendar so your viewers know when to expect new videos. Remember that promoting your course on YouTube will take time and effort, but it will be all worth it when you start seeing an uptick in enrollments. So that wraps it up. You now know how to sell online courses and make them profitable. I hope this video can help you grow and scale your online course business. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Hosting Your Academy to get more tips on making money online. Feel free to comment below if you have something to share regarding your experience selling online courses. Good luck and see you in the next video.